Hello, this is OBDOLS in a new video about how to install E-Sys Pro for BMW coding. You can get the software from the link in the description below. I also include a full installation guide and free remote support if you need help. Open the downloaded folder, then extract E-Sys setup file. Double-click on E-Sys setup to start the installation. Select your language, then click OK. Click Next, accept the agreement, then keep pressing Next, keeping everything in default. After installation is completed, click Finish. Now extract E-Sys Launcher Pro setup file. Then install E-Sys Launcher Pro. We don't need the README file. Finish. And here we go. We have successfully installed E-Sys. We just need install PSdZData. It is empty, there is no projects. We need to import them. There is two ways for this purpose. First one is to extract the PSdZData Lite file and paste it on the following path. Copy extracted folder, PSdZData. Better use cut to move folder since it is large file and we don't need it duplicated. Then paste it in C:/data/dot. Now start E-Sys Pro again. Voila, all projects are loaded. I will show you the second method to import projects that will work. If only you have BMW ISTA software installed, we will use the ISTA PSdZData for E-Sys. I will delete the projects folder only to show the second method. So if you have already did all these steps and projects are fine, do not follow me on the next steps. Open command prompt as administrator. Write the following command, and I will explain what does it mean. We will create a shortcut folder called PSdZData in C:\data / that links PSdZData ISTA folder. mklink used to create symbolic links, /d for directory. First one is where to create final shortcut folder. Second one, for what folder we want to map or to clone. Make sure to grab the path, as I did copy it from the path address bar. Then paste it on the command prompt. Ops, I made a mistake. It looks like I forgot the double quote. It worked. Now let's take a look. We have successfully cloned the PSdZData folder without duplicating the files. Let's give it a test on the software. And that's it. Your E-Sys Pro is installed and ready to use. If you got stuck at any step, drop a comment below and I'll help you out personally. The download link is in the description, and if you need me to install it for you remotely, that's also available for free when you purchase from my store. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe. I upload new tutorials regularly. See you in the next one.